Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're building a bridge between your distinguished military service and the corporate career you have absolutely earned. We're going to show you exactly how to translate your incredible experience into the language of business value.
Okay, let's just start right here. This quote, it hits home, doesn't it? It perfectly captures that core frustration for so many accomplished veterans. You have this world-class leadership experience, but when you put it on paper, it just falls flat. It almost feels like a dead end for your career transition, but I promise you it doesn't have to be.
So, why does this happen? Well, let me be crystal clear. The problem isn't your experience. The problem is the translation. You have the skills: leadership, operations, logistics, you name it. But they're all wrapped in a language that civilian hiring managers, and maybe more importantly, their automated resume screening systems, simply do not understand. Today, we're giving you the playbook to fix that.
So here's our mission briefing. First, we'll diagnose that translation gap. Then, we're going to give you 3 powerful tools to fix it. Something called the STAR-M method, a strategy for your security clearance, and a guide to translating rank. And we'll wrap it all up with a clear 5-step action plan to put it all to work for you.
All right, let's start by really digging into the problem. And I want you to hear this loud and clear. This is not a value gap. The value you bring is immense. This is a language barrier, plain and simple. And this barrier, it's really built on 3 core failures. First, depending on military jargon that means nothing to a recruiter. Second, positioning your experience based on your rank instead of what your actual responsibilities would be in the corporate world. And third, and this is a big one, undervaluing your security clearance, which is a massive strategic asset. These 3 things are what make your impressive skills basically invisible.
So why does this matter? Well, look at this number. Solving this translation problem has a direct and, frankly, a huge impact. We're talking about an 85% interview success rate for veterans who get this right. This isn't just about feeling understood. This is about getting real, tangible results and landing the roles you absolutely deserve. Okay, now for the first part of the solution. We need a system, a framework to translate your accomplishments into business value that a company can understand. This is where the standard advice usually falls short, so we're going to give you an upgrade. Now, you've probably heard of the STAR method, right? Situation, task, action, result. For military professionals, it's just not enough. We need STAR-M. That M stands for military context, and trust me, it is the key. It lets you add that credibility and weight to your achievements without drowning the reader in a sea of confusing jargon. This whole process builds a really powerful story. For situation, you set a context anyone can understand, like a high-pressure environment. For task, you define your goal in business terms, like improve operational efficiency. For action, you use corporate language, like led cross-functional teams. For result, you show the numbers. And then at the end, that little M, the military context, adds that concise, powerful anchor, like in a 24/7 mission-critical environment. It just gives your claims incredible weight. And here it is in action. Look at the difference. The weak version, it's factually correct, but a recruiter's just going to gloss right over it. The strong version, it describes the exact same experience, but it speaks the language of leadership, assets, and operational excellence. It's clear, it's powerful, and it shows undeniable business value. It's night and day. All right, let's talk about one of your most powerful and consistently underused assets. Your security clearance is not just some line item you bury at the bottom of your resume. No way. It is a strategic, competitive advantage. It's your secret weapon. I mean, look at this. Your clearance has direct financial value. A secret clearance can add up to $8,000 to your salary. Top secret, $15,000, and a TS/SCI can command a premium of $25,000 a year. And why is that? Because you save a company the 6 to 18-month headache of getting someone new cleared. You eliminate massive project risk for them. So, to capture that value, you need a simple 3-part strategy. First, get it out of the basement and feature it right at the top in your professional summary. Second, make it crystal clear that it is active and current. And third, be strategic about it. Target your job search in markets like defense, cybersecurity, and aerospace, where a clearance isn't just a bonus, it's a hard requirement. Your military rank, it tells a powerful story of progression, discipline, and leadership to other people in the military. But to a civilian hiring manager, it's often, well, meaningless.
We need to translate that incredible story into the language of the corporate ladder. Think of this table as your personal Rosetta Stone. An E7 isn't just a staff sergeant, you're a senior manager or an operations manager responsible for people and getting things done. An O4 isn't just a major, you are a director responsible for strategic planning and managing big resources. Reframing it like this instantly gives hiring managers a clear picture of what you can do.
And this whole idea of translation goes beyond just your resume. You need to strategically use the systems that are actually designed to hire you. For federal hiring, that's the 5 to 10 point preference. In the contracting world, it's seeking out companies with VOSB or STVOSB set-asides. And in the corporate world, it means targeting companies that have active veteran hiring programs.
Okay, we've covered a lot of ground, but all this knowledge is useless without action. So we've broken it down into a clear 5-step plan. This is your mission for a successful career transition. Here it is, your checklist. 1. Go through every single accomplishment on your resume and rewrite it using that STAR method. 2. Move your security clearance right to the top. 3. Translate your rank to reflect corporate-style titles. 4. Define your target markets. And 5. Build a salary strategy based on the real value you bring to the table. And one last really critical detail. Your newly translated resume has to get past the robot gatekeepers, the applicant tracking systems, or ATS. These systems scan for specific keywords, and if your resume isn't optimized, a human being may never even see it. This is where a tool like Pass the Scan can be a lifesaver, making sure your resume works for both corporate and defense contractor systems. So let's end on this thought. You have proven yourself in the most demanding environments on Earth. You have earned world-class experience in leadership, strategy, and execution. The only question left is your resume telling that story in a language the corporate world can understand, value, and hire you for? Now you have the tools to make sure the answer is a resounding yes.